Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Sri Brahmanandam Paramasukhadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Vishwatitam Gaganasadrisham Tattvamasya Dileksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshi Bhudam Bhavatitam Trigunasahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Ajnanatimirandhasya Nananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Today morning, 26th of August 2013, the morning sun is coming in the horizon. When the sun rises, if you can watch it, there is spontaneous happiness coming into your mind. How is it? Sun is fire. Fire is not a plaything. When you look at fire, and which is absolutely not a plaything, still a surmounting amount of happiness coming into your mind. What is the connection between the sun and mind? Sun in the horizon, when it comes, there is a pleasant coolness, though it's fire. That coolness affects your mind. There are 3 Sandhya Kals, one in the morning, one in the noon, one in the evening. In the morning it is Satvik, in the noon it is Rajasic, in the evening it is Tamasic. We are born with 3 gunas: Tamasic, Rajasic, Satvik. And same way, according to Ayurveda, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, doshas. Though it is called doshas, each person is born with a particular nature. Vata nature, Kapha nature, Pitta nature. Vata nature people, sometimes Pitta will dominate. Pitta people, sometimes Vata will dominate. Kapha people, sometimes Pitta or Vata may dominate. So what we can do is, you have to normalize. How is it possible to normalize? Early morning, get up, look into the rising sun. The Vata, Pitta, Kapha will get neutralized. I don't know. It gets neutralized. Especially first stage, second stage, third stage, pranayama if you do, which is being taught in the Art of Living Happiness program, Vata, Pitta, Kapha will neutralize. Now, the amount of happiness when the sun rises comes due to the biomagnetic electric field of energy which is coming into the world in a place where you are sitting. Same way, in the pyramid, at the same time of the sunrise, if you do Agnihotra, your Anahata chakra, your Ajna chakra, your Manipuraka chakra gets dominant energy from 3 types of waves from sun. One is divine, which is directly coming from the atmosphere. Another is sun rays. Third is sattvic atmosphere. We have got beta, alpha, gamma and theta waves in our brains. Beta is negative thoughts. Alpha is positive thoughts. At the moment of sunrise, according to the circadian rhythm, when we do Agnihotra, we perform Agnihotra, beta waves transforms slowly to alpha waves, and an amount of happiness, love comes into us. Not only that, it cures the nature, and indirectly nature cures you. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. All those people who are listening to this, please note that God is not a fool. Absolutely not a fool. If you perform bad things, and if you take a gun and shoot yourself, you are gone by bodily, but your energy which has gone into the world comes back in karmic form, and in another body you have to take all the punishments. That's why people say, I have not done anything in this life, but why I am getting this? Yeah, see the truth. The sun rays are coming into the pyramid. It is true. It is true. As far as I am concerned, it is true. So always act according to your mind positively. I wish you all the best. Thank you for listening and watching. I am doing this as a service to the humankind, and very happy to do it. Nobody is forcing me. I am not charging any money for what I am saying. Let it spread. Let everybody know that when sun is giving so much of energy and power and life force, isn't it our duty to respect with kridatnyata, with gratitude for what the sun is doing? If you can see sun with your naked eyes, it's energy filled, and that energy is what you are. That energy is what you live your body, and that energy is in the world always. I am concluding with a focus into the sun. See, the sun has risen. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. May God bless. May God bless. May God bless. Jai Gurudev.